Hi, my name is Robert from UBL Designs. This tutorial is going to be regarding the Lecia WordPress theme. I'm going to show you how to create the page layouts and columns. You see, basic page. I'm just going to create a page. No, in fact, I'll use the sample page, which is already available. So we'll come here. We'll just wipe everything. Every single time you use a page, you should use a layout within everything. For instance, you have quite a few layouts to choose from. So you've got 2, 4, 6, and then the site color. The site color, basically, if you go to your theme options, which can be located under appearance and then customize your theme, or the customizer, you can choose your site colors. Unlimited colors, whatever color you can get from a hex chart you can put in there, and then that can be your color for that particular layout. I'm going to show you how to do all the layouts and all the columns. So if we go to a standard layout to start with, it'll ask you if you want a class. Within the documents, help documents, which can be found, I'll show you. Take that out. If you go to appearance and then themes, you'll come to this section, theme support. If you click on theme support, you'll get a nice little documentations of the whole theme. Now within here, if you go to shortcodes, which is theme shortcodes, all the way down here, it tells you everything. Now it gives you padding options, padding tops, padding bottoms. If you want extra padding up and down, sometimes you might, sometimes you won't. It's up to you. You can also add your own custom classes if you've got some CSS classes you'd like to add. Sometimes like add a class to add an image rather than having a color. You can quite easily do that. But anyway, we'll go here. We'll do a standard. Ask if you want a class. I don't personally, so I'm gonna just hit enter. So leave it blank. Now this asks you what type of shadow you would like. Now there's 5 different types of shadows. I'll show you how each one looks in a second. So I'm going to say 4 because option 4 is actually my favourite. So it will straight away come out into this, which is a page layout. Open it up. Now within here I'm just going to type some text. So this is a standard page layout with a shadow effect of 4. Now if I update and then publish that, you'll now see I've got a shadow effect and this is a thing of 4. So that's just a box standard shadow effect. Now I can change that to, actually what I'll do is I'll copy and paste and I'll just show you each effect of what they do. So there's none. Actually I won't even put none, I just won't use it, because if you put none in the thing it doesn't show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are the effects you get each time. With no shadow effect, with 1, 2, 3, and then 5. If we update that and then preview it, there you go. Different effects are no shadow. As you can see, there's no shadow there. There's that shadow 1, shadow 2, shadow 3, shadow 4, and shadow 5. So you've got the shadow effects there. I'm now going to show you how to do a light grey. I'm not going to do a class. I'm going to do a shadow of none, as I said. I'm not going to do a shadow on this one. And put this is a light grey background. I'll do all of them from now on. So I'm going to have medium. I'm not going to have a class. I will have a shadow on this one. I will have a shadow option 5. This is a medium grey background. The reason why I'm typing it in is just so it's got a bit of padding so you can actually see the backgrounds. Dark grey. I'm not going to do a class. I will do none. This is a dark grey background. Very dark grey. Nope, nope. This is a very dark grey background. Then the last one I'm going to do is the blue one. The reason why I'm not going to do the theme colour one is because I haven't chosen a theme colour, because I haven't done the theme options yet. So it'll just come out white anyway, so it's pointless. This is a blue background. Now if I update and then preview, you'll see all the different layouts it's done. Blue, dark grey, it just goes on. You've got the gist. I'll show you the layouts next. So I'll wipe all them out so you can see it all. Go to layout, standard layout. I'll do a shadow of 4 just to give it a nice effect. Now on these columns, whenever you're doing half columns and third layouts and etc, always put a row. So I don't need an extra class. It asks you for an extra class. I don't need one. So you put a row. Think of it as a table. You need a row before you can put columns. So this is going to be a full width. No class. I don't want an extra class. It'll ask you on every single one in case you want to put on their background. So you've got a CSS option to do that. So this is a full width layout. Now I'll copy and paste that a few times just so you can actually see its full width. Right. And then for under the half width, as you can see, I am going to do the full width, should I say, half width. This is a half width layout, and again I'm going to copy and paste this one. I'll copy that for the next one. Then I'll do a half again so you can see the half. Enter, because I don't want a class. I'll show you what it looks like with a class, shall I? So if I put that in, now I'll do a third width layout, and I'll show you what it looks like if you do a class. So if you do that, I say this is a custom class I've set up. Boom. It'll just come up class. This is a custom class I've set up. So within this, I'm going to put this is a third width layout. Copy and paste this a few times. And rather than do that again, I'm just going to do it 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll do just this one. You'll get the gist. It's pretty simple. You click on what you need. For instance, if you need a quarter width layout, you press a quarter width column. If you want a class, you put in a class. Just press enter. Within the brackets, you just do your content. So if I press update and then preview, you've now got your full width, your half, your columns, your third width, and then your quarter, but you can't quite see it because I only put a little bit of text. So that's your layouts and columns. The next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do your page titles, for instance, your shadows, your breadcrumbs. I'll show you how to do a generic page in the future. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.